Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to reset keyboard shortcuts Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. So how to reset keyboard shortcuts Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera Browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera Browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the shortcuts menu. Then tap Shortcuts Configuration. And will appear like this. Next tap Reset All. This feature allows users to reset keyboard shortcuts in Opera Browser on Windows 10 to return to default settings or customize as needed. So that's it, the tutorial how to reset keyboard shortcuts Opera Browser Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.